An immune booster shot can be a quick and easy way to boost your immune system and help protect your body from illness. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make an immune booster shot. The first step is to gather your ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of orange juice, 1/2 cup of cranberry juice, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1/2 cup of ginger juice, 1/2 cup of turmeric juice, 1/4 cup of honey, optional. The next step is to mix the ingredients all together. You can use a blender or a juicer to blend or extract the juice from the ingredients. If you're using a blender, make sure to strain the mixture to remove any pulp. Once the ingredients are well mixed, you can add honey to sweeten the mixture if desired. Then, pour the mixture into shot glasses or an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. When you're ready to take the shot, remove it from the refrigerator and drink it immediately. You can take 1 or 2 shots a day for the best results. It's important to note that some of the ingredients used in this recipe may not be suitable for everyone. If you have any allergies or health conditions, please consult with a healthcare professional before consuming the shot. Additionally, you can use other ingredients to make the immune booster shots. You can use lemon, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, or other fruits and vegetables which are high in vitamin C and other nutrients that are beneficial for the immune system, like bell peppers, broccoli, spinach, kiwi, papaya. In conclusion, an immune booster shot is a quick and easy way to boost your immune system and help protect your body from illness. By making your own immune booster shots at home, you can control the ingredients and customize the recipe to your taste preferences. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming the shot if you have any allergies or health conditions.